Okay, we are going to make that Charlie candy, whatever that thing was. Man, that thing looks so weird. So we're gonna have to wash it. I couldn't find the green one, so.
Yo, that's dirty water.
Hey, that's why you need to wash it. Okay, dump it. Okay, now we have this. Hold that for me. Blender. So oh, you're back. So what we're gonna do here, take the wild Rancher's. What?
It's gonna be loud.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna go on.
Are you sure that's how you do it? Oh, smoky.
Yep. It's not crunchy.
No.
Let's do more. And
It smells like Jolly Ranchers in here. Is this videoing?
okay, now what we're gonna do here is use that. We're gonna put 1 cup of sugar. Take 1 cup of sugar and then put it here, and then we're gonna take 1 cup of caramel.
No, it's corn syrup.
It's caramel.
Oh.
then we mix it. Don't burn yourself.
It is hot.
It's not hot yet.
It smells like burnt.
This is the Rancher's. Look really good.
Do I put
Yeah. Just take one by one and then that one looks so something. You need to stick it here.
okay.
You got it.
Are you supposed to melt that first?
That one is not melting. So that's what you're doing. You do that for all of this. Like this. Here like that, and then
Yeah.
you make a good candy.
Jingle mo baby boss.
Ma vinya ma fokone. Go kone kunya. Do all of them and then we call it. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. As you can see, okay, Kimden, you wanna do it too?
Just make sure you don't burn.
Don't burn yourself, okay? Okay. You have a great candy.
If you want.
There it is. Oh, that looks so pretty. Look nice. Yep, and you got you some
Grape Jolly Rancher candies.
grape Jolly Rancher candy.